Hey team, do you want to learn how to paint this beautiful misty morning mountainside? Then stay tuned, because that's what we're doing today on Studio-214.
Are you ready? Grab a brush.
Give me a hell! Give me a yeah! Let's paint right now!
And now the team. Ultramarine blue. Looking down, buddy. Cheer up. Burnt umber. No one gets burned. Everyone comes home. Roger. He's a good guy. Yellow ogre. You're a beast, buddy. Get in here. Let's paint. Y'all ready? Let's move. Let's get a nice dark color going. This is a limited palette. By the way, is it cheating to use white and black with a limited palette? No? Good! Because I use those two as well. But I want the rich luster of burnt umber and ultramarine mixed together. If nothing else, it's a swell midtone. And then spread it on. Leave the indication of trees. This is going to be a layered mountainside with a yellow sky and mist coming around and over the ridge. So the bottom right is going to be super dark, and that's where I'm using the black. I just couldn't get it dark enough for that deep shadow. Now mix up some of the ultramarine blue and yellow ochre, throw some of the mud in there from earlier to knock down the value a bit, and then throw it on the canvas. Now, when you start placing trees, try to remember the golden ratio. Forget the rule of thirds. It's tired and overused. So is the golden ratio, but it doesn't matter because it's awesome! It actually deserves its own video, and that's for show. But for now, just divide the length or width by 1.618 and then plot that point. Right about there. Yep. So just try to keep in mind that ratio, and after a while, you just place things there because you have gotten used to the pleasing placements of objects. And the golden ratio is about as scientific as art can get. It's a beautiful fusion of the two. So use it, and I guarantee your compositions will be more pleasing and natural looking. So if y'all dig the music, come on back to this channel on Mondays for new music. I wish I could say I decided on a day to post music on a day that made sense for my schedule, but I didn't. Music Monday just sounds cool. So for completely non-business reasons, I post music on Mondays. Music Monday! Woo! Check it out. It's good to listen to and rock. Or if you're a musician, it's great to play along to. Mondays! Be there! Now here is a time where you step back and look where things should go. Strengthen what you think needs it, knock back anything that needs to be toned down. This is where the art of painting really comes out. Everyone's will be different, and that's awesome! That bottom black paint is still wet, so I'm gonna give it some texture. It is super thick on there. Y'all might be noticing how much I'm leaning on my fan brush. It is one of my favorite brushes. I have 5 of them. What's your favorite brush? If you don't know, count how many of the same brushes you have and that should tell you. I love my brushes, especially my fan brush. Time to throw on this medium. Good stuff, guys. I suggest this medium be in every acrylic painter's painting kit. I'm gonna mix it with yellow ochre and make the sky in the mist. I'm using way more medium than paint the farther down I go. I'd say it's 80% medium, 20% paint, but that's okay because the medium has acrylic polymer, so there is no problem with making the paint super thin. You won't get any problems with the paint being able to form a matrix or anything. No. Yep, put some of them finishing touches on this bad boy and spread the medium/paint emulsion around in ways where you think it would collect, and not in places where the light would not hit. I'm talking about you, dark bottom left. You know why. Don't forget to blend. Make it pretty. And well, team, I think that's enough for today. I had a good time, hope you did too. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. As for me, I'm going to the house. For Studio 214, I'm Greg. Thanks for watching.